So you guys probably remember my studio being like this. And my video, which is uploaded I think 14 days ago, where I mentioned that I really do want a cleanup, and because there's a new type of, setup, I need some space where to put my things. Hence, that's why I haven't uploaded any video from a few days or a week back, because one is I fixed the wall behind me. So that before is a white wall, now turned into a little bit of gray. Because the reason on that is, if you guys can remember, last year a typhoon hit my place and one of my roof panels got destroyed, and has been a leak on the back wall that I have. So the white paint is really destroyed and the designs that I put are destroyed too. So that's why I decided, wait, change of color. So after that, I had a sponsor in which the reason why I have the shelves at the back. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's definitely a shelf at the back. So the main reason on that, the main sponsor is my mother. She realized that I was filming and she said, you know what, I'm gonna give you a gift. And I said, what? And that's the shelf behind me. So now I have some space to put all of my text and other stuff that I'm not using. And it's like kind of cool that there's a little bit of thing behind me and it's not an empty wall. It's not yet complete in terms of renovation because I still need to fix the table or the B-roll table and paint it with a new one. So just a update. Next is the other shelf is alive. The Guyver 2022 film thingy is also alive, and yeah. So we pretty much, that's it. That's the reason why. And I also bought myself a fan. So if you guys can see that my hair is really literally waving, it's because I now have an airflow here. So you won't be seeing me like perspiring and stuff, but maybe still because of the heat during the summer. But all in all, I think the studio is in a much better condition than before. So with that being said, I'll be releasing tech contents in the next few days, weeks, and also cinematics, and I'll be moving back to my old roots. If you guys have been a follower, then you know what I mean when I say old roots, because there's gonna be some sort of opportunity for content very, very soon. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you guys will tell me, like, Guyver, you need more lights at the back. Yeah, I did kind of notice when I ordered that. I might buy 2 more. But yeah. Anyway, this is it. This is probably my studio look 4.0, if I'm not mistaken, ever since the 2020 pandemic. Yeah, bye-bye.